Tear. To pull something apart or rip it by force. I tore the page from the book. He tore his dress while running. Frosty. Very cold or covered with frost. It's a frosty morning today. We wore jackets because the wind was frosty. Slim. Thin or small in size. He has a slim body. The phone is slim and easy to carry. Tiresome. Something that makes you feel tired. This homework is tiresome and long. Cleaning the whole house is tiresome. Quail. Feel afraid. The boy quailed when he saw the dog. She quailed at the loud noise. Mourn. To feel very sad when someone dies or something bad happens. They mourned the loss of their friend. He mourned quietly in his room. Soar. To fly high in the sky or to rise quickly. The prices of food are soaring. The eagle soared over the mountains. Ashamed. Feel sorry for something you did wrong. She was ashamed of her mistake. I felt ashamed after lying. Valiant. very brave. The soldier was valiant in battle. The firefighter made a valiant rescue. Raise. To completely destroy a building or place. The storm razed many homes in the village. The city plans to raise the old school.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!